Gonna put the GoPro on the car hood here and go for a spin and see how it looks. It has a magnet mount here and I attach it to that. Actually, I didn't know that. I thought it was just a clip to clip onto something, but it also is a magnet. So I've ordered more mounts and I have the media mod now, but I'm gonna put the camera without the media mod. I'm not worried about sound right here. The microphone will be on, but we're not going after that. I just want to see how the footage looks. So there it is. It's the GoPro 10. It's on the hood of that car. And we're going to go for a spin down there and we're going to go for a ways and see how the footage looks. And the pup will be with me too in the car. So we're in the car now. You can see the GoPro on the hood there. It's recording. I won't know how that really looks until editing. There's the pup. We're going for a spin. We have the GoPro going and we'll check on our land too on the way back. So let's take a look at some of that footage now. How's it looking? Little red light blinking, and so it's recording yet. I wouldn't want to go 100 miles an hour or fall off. Need a better mount than that, but that'll work at this kind of speed. So we'll go for a couple kilometers here, a mile and a half or something, then we'll stop and turn around, and then we'll go back to our land and take a look at the hayfield and see if look at this sandy area here, really sandy. That's where our land ends, right here. Now we're going into no man's land and all. We'll just keep going here and see how it looks. Pop's always happy to go for a car ride. I'm really excited about this GoPro. Having a lot of fun with it. I've been watching other videos and seeing how guys are setting them and stuff. I have it on the 4K 30 frames per second now with the vibrant color, so we'll see how that looks later. When you see this video, well, I'll know how it looks by then too, but as I'm filming this is all new to me. Coming to the corners here where it's really wild there. That's quad land there. We did go, there's a beaver pond straight ahead there, another mile or so, but that's for quads. So let's just turn around here and take a look. So we're out of the car now. Pop's smelling. I'm sure there was a lot of wild animals here lately. There's the GoPro. You can see the red light flashing on there. Lots of flies over here. They're not really bothering me. They're after the car. So our land is down that way a couple kilometers. We came quite a distance here. We've been here before. We've even hiked up here. We walk in here. Look at this. This is a quad road. You go about a mile that way and you'll come up to that beaver pond we went to once. I'll put a link to that. That was last year. Pop sniffing. Really peaceful up here though. It's really nice. Beautiful. Look how green. GoPro still filming. We'll see what it sees in editing. Well, let's head down back that way and we'll check the entrance to our hayland and see how that fence is that we put up a while ago. Let's go, Pop. Let's go back. Come on. Let's go in the car. The flies are wild here. Yeah, I checked that magnet mount and it's not that tight. I wouldn't keep it like that. You would need a sticky mount on there. Then you clip it in, then it would be more secure. But I don't want to put it on my car right now. I don't want to have these mounts all over my car. Maybe on the riding lawnmower I'll put one. But you hit the bump, the camera could turn too. But it'll be interesting to see how it looks, that footage. It's got some super stabilization, so that shouldn't be a problem. We're almost at the land, and we'll take a look and see how that fence is holding up. Look, the fence is up pretty good, guys. We made a point here. No hunting or trespassing. We didn't want people going in here like a free-for-all. We're paying the taxes here and everything. They're not cheap either. So unless they want to give us some money here, I'll leave a box. Then we could talk. So yeah, it's standing pretty good. I wouldn't want to build it now with all these flies and we're going to make an entrance to get in there ourselves one of these days. Not here, maybe closer to our yard site. There's something there maybe we can get into. What beautiful country up here, guys. We're so excited to be here all the time. Don't get tired of it. This is what we want. Here's the entrance to our yard here. Let's go in and see what the GoPro sees. There it is, still on the hood. I don't know what the footage looks like yet. Obviously when you see this video I'll know, but right now I don't really know, so we'll see. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a big thumbs up. I'm just learning how the GoPro works and everything, and right now it's filming us, me doing this outro, and there's the pup. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one, guys. Thanks very much. Thanks for the GoPro, Pearface and hubby. We're enjoying it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a big thumbs up. I'm just learning how the GoPro works and everything, and right now it's filming us, me doing this outro, and there's the pup. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one, guys. Thanks very much. Thanks for the GoPro, Pearface and hubby.